So here we found, look at Polly, we found this little grove of conifer trees. And we have spruce trees and some balsam fir in the back there. Mostly spruce trees, but these are a great example of our fourth group of plants. Remember, we went from green algae to moss to the ferns, and now we're to group 4. Group 4 has invented the seed, and it includes the conifers and also other trees, but the point is the seeds aren't covered in a fruit. They're called gymnosperms. The name of this group is Gymnosperms. Gymnosperm means naked seed, okay? And it includes all the pines and firs and tamaracks and cedars and spruces. And, Polly, can I have one of those cones? This happens to be, can you reach me some of those little cones too? This cone here is one way they protect. That's good. Here. That girl. Okay. This cone here is from a pine tree, so we call it a pine cone. This is from a spruce tree, so I call it a spruce cone. If it's from a tamarack, it's a tamarack cone, or a cedar cone. Point is, in between all these little wooden protective shelves called bracts, there is a seed, and it's a naked seed. And I'm going to put my glasses on so I can pull one out and show you. Let's see if you have one in here. There's one. Okay, can you hold that for me, my assistant? And let's pull this seed out. So if you come in here, I'm going to break these off. And there is a little winged seed right here. Do you see me? Okay, here. Let the camera see. See that? It's like a little piece of paper. That's a little wing, and on the bottom of that is the seed itself. And I'm going to try to get this out. Oh, there's a beautiful seed right there. I'm going to pull it out like a little red squirrel would. There we go. There's most of the seed. It's missing some of the main part of the seed down here. It's actually still, but it's a little dark. It looks like a little dark seed at the end. And look, it's on a little wing, but it's not covered in any kind of fruit. You know, you're not going to find a banana in there or an apple or a strawberry. You're going to find a naked seed. But the point is, the advantage of having a seed is now these plants don't need water to exchange the genetics when they are making a new organism or a new one of themselves. So now the gymnosperms are able to colonize non-wet areas, and that was in most of the entire planet. So off they go because they invented the seed, right? But it's a naked seed, it's a gymnosperm. Our next group is going to advance on that even and become the most successful group of all. And we're going to go there next. Let's go.